Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a local user account on Windows 11. Are you ready? Let's get started, okay? Go to search menu, as you can see here, and type computer management, okay? And enter. This window will pop up. Here we have different options. You should click just on local user and groups, okay? And open user folder, and here you can create your local user on Windows 11. Right click on here and click on new user, give a name, for example test 1, and yeah, full name test 1, and you can give any name you want. Okay, description is optional. You can type a description, but I will leave it empty. Okay, just type your password, and here you can check any of this option. If you want to user cannot change password, you should check this one. And if you want to user change the password at next login, you can check this one. So I'm going to check this one and click create. Oh, the password confirmation does not match. Let me, the password should match. As you can see, I created this user account, local user account, which is test1. Okay. If you don't want, you can just right click on that, and you can set a password, or you can delete, you can rename, and you can do many things. So I'm going to remove it because I don't need it. Just click on yes. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section, and I will be very happy to help with that. That's how you can create user and delete user on Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.